Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Ford Explorer. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a suitable drain pan. Next, confirm you have the correct type and quantity of new engine oil for your specific model. Finally, take a moment to locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter on your vehicle's underside. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Now, let's get that old oil out. Start by running your Ford Explorer's engine for a few minutes. This warms the oil, making it flow more easily. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully remove the plug. Allow ample time for all the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan. This step is crucial for a clean oil change. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. First, remove the old oil filter with your filter wrench. Next, apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter before installing it hand tight. Securely replace the oil drain plug. Finally, carefully pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the engine through the filler cap. Double-check your owner's manual for the exact oil capacity. After adding the new oil, start your Ford Explorer's engine and let it run for a minute or two. Carefully check for any signs of leaks around the new oil filter and the drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. Proper maintenance keeps your vehicle running smoothly for many miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.